Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
You have seen the pineapple hack. You may have tried the pineapple hack and found that even with an acceptably ripe pineapple, it failed you. It happens to the best of us. But if you get yourself a very, very, very ripe pineapple and approach it like a man stranded on a desert island, then the hack will work for you. 14 March 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Commonly known as the cherimoya pineapple, it is also known as the easy peeler, because it can be eaten by cutting the pineapple in half or into quarters, then pulling apart the fruitlets one by one, without having to peel. The plant is small and its leaves are spiny. 11 March 2019.
Take our lead.
A hack for sweeter, juicier pineapple. Luckily, you can still get the same results from a standard pineapple from the store. Just start with one that's very ripe, and for one pineapple guru, roll it across the table to loosen the fibers first. 12 March 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
According to one study, eating large amounts of pineapple not only makes it taste better, but also sweeter. The study also found that men like the taste of women more than women like the taste of men, regardless of what they eat, which wasn't exactly news to me.
Let's help you make your mark.
To be a welcome item to visitors. Learn the latest slang words that teens are using on TikTok. Sure, some you may already know, but if you're scratching your head at phrases like, "that slaps," you'll want to read this. The pineapple means to be a welcome item to visitors and also to your own well-being. 24 December 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.